Hey guys, it's your girl Esha here, and today I'm sharing with you what I packed to go to Jamaica. So stay tuned and I will definitely share all of that with you. Hey, it's your girl Esha here, co-founder of Events by Esha and creator of experiences like Ultimate Trinidad Carnival, Ultimate Cropover, and other unique and life-changing trips. And today I'm sharing with you what I packed to go to Jamaica. So if you didn't know, our Eat Dance travel trip, I am getting ready to go there very soon. And I have a few things to share with you today. Some of them I've made, some of them I've mended or repurposed, I guess is the best way to say that. So I'm gonna be sharing 5 things with you, and let's get started. So actually, before I get into what I packed to go with me to Jamaica, I want to share with you what I'm wearing. And I'm actually wearing a pretty much me-made outfit from head to toe, which is really wonderful. I don't always get to do that, but I did make this t-shirt. It's Tilly and the Buttons, who's a pattern creator and blogger. She has a book called Stretch. I'll be sure to insert a photo here. So I made this t-shirt from that. The pants that I'm wearing are actually a slash self-made altered simplicity pattern, so I'll be sure to put a picture in here so you guys can see that as well, and I will put all of the links below in the description box as well. And this is one of my favorite shawls. Hubby actually bought this one for me from India, so this is one of my favorite shawls, and it kind of just pulls everything together. So that is what I'm wearing. Let's get into what I am packing and taking with me to Jamaica. So the first thing I'm taking with me is a new beach cover-up. So I shared in my me-made carnival video that I shot for Barbados Carnival, a cover-up that I created a few years ago out of a really old shawl, and it's been my standby. So I thought, I could sew a brand new one, or I could take another shawl that I really like and turn it into a new cover-up, and that's what I did. So I had a shawl that was actually my mom's that I absolutely adored. It's falling to pieces, to be honest. In fact, when we last went to Tobago and my mom saw it, she said, "Esha, you still have that shawl?" And of course I was like, "Mom, there's nothing wrong with the shawl. It's so old, it's falling apart." Guys, it's old, it's still functional, and I can't bear to throw it away because the fabric is so beautiful. So I will definitely post a picture here so you guys can check it out. So basically what I did was folded it in half, sewed the sides, cut a hole, and sewed the neckline, and voila, new beach cover-up. So that was a really fun and quick, easy project to do, and that is definitely going into my suitcase in Jamaica. The second project that I made changes to and altered, very minimally I might add, I mentioned this in my Me Made Carnival video as well, and I'll be sure to post a better picture here because I did not have one good picture to post in that video. Anyway, so I'm gonna post a better picture here for you guys. This romper is McCall's M7755, and I love this pattern. It's an easy to sew pattern, super quick to make, not too difficult instructions, no buttons or zippers or anything. So it was pretty easy to do. What I altered on this was just the actual neckline because it's a drawstring. I found that the piece, like the front pieces would kind of shift around and the back as well. So it was just a little uncomfortable. So I just sewed it to the drawstring so that it wouldn't shift. And I'll be sure to post, insert a better picture here for you guys to see. And I actually also sewed up the armholes. Just made it a little bit more, you know, boob friendly because I was worried about some outfit malfunctions, and we definitely didn't want that to happen. So that is the second thing that I'm taking to Jamaica with me. Where am I going to wear that? So we have 2 events that we're going to in the Jamaica Food and Drink Festival. One of them is Picante, which is everything hot, spicy, washed down with rum, so you know I am there for that. So I'm gonna wear it to that because the dress code is elegantly casual, so I figure a romper, sandals, purse, good to go. So that is definitely gonna be my outfit that I'm gonna be wearing for that, and that is the second make that I'm taking with me to Jamaica. So the third item that I'm gonna be taking with me to Jamaica is a pair of skinny jeans that I have had for probably 2 years now. And I absolutely love them, and I was devastated when probably 5 months ago I discovered that there was a hole in the side seam of the jeans. Yeah, I was not happy about that. So I kind of put it away for a while, and I thought, you know, I could sew the seam, but the fabric and the seam allowance is so skinny in, you know, ready to wear garments these days. There was no way that I could sew it. It would just resplit and resplit, and then I wouldn't be able to wear it. So I thought, okay, let me cut them into capris or shorts or something. And I didn't really want to do that, so it's kind of been sitting around. Then I finally thought about a project that I worked on for my sister, Sarah Michelle Brown, who is a director and creative. And she wanted me to patch some jeans that she absolutely adored that had holes in them. And the holes were getting kind of wide. So she asked me to patch them. And I thought about that and I said, I could probably patch that hole. So I patched it, and they are fabulously perfect. What I did was I did some stitching above the rip and below the rip, and then I covered it with a jean material patch, and then I added another patch on the other leg so it wouldn't look lopsided, and I love them. They fit perfectly, hopefully, well, hopefully or not hopefully. I will get another hole on the other side that I can patch, but this looks fine to me so far. So I'm definitely gonna be wearing this for Crisp, which is another Jamaican food and drink festival event that we're going to. So Crisp is casual dress, and I'll probably wear it to the Bob Marley Museum tour and the Tough Gong International tour as well. So looking forward to wearing those in Jamaica. All right, so item number 4 that I am taking with me to Jamaica is a new beach bag. And while I am excited that it is completed and it's great, it was crazy to sew. So I chose the incorrect fabric, first of all. I had this really heavyweight denim that I had in my fabric collection for quite some time, and I was really excited about using it, and I picked a really fun lining from these fat quarters that I got from So Haley Lynn, I believe her subscription box service is called, and they would send these fat quarters every month. So I used that to line the bag, but this heavyweight denim, guys, oh my gosh, it is so heavyweight that it kept snapping my top thread. And I didn't know what to do. I kept adjusting the tension on my sewing machine, but it just kept snapping. And then finally I thought, maybe I need a thicker thread. So I started using some actual top stitching thread, and that seemed to solve the problem, thankfully. So it took me forever to complete this bag when I thought it was gonna be a really cute and quick project. And oh, I forgot to mention where that came from. So the Breaking the Pattern book by Named Clothing, I'll be sure to insert a photo here of the book. That's where I got the idea, the project from. So I will definitely post a picture here of the book and a picture of the finished bag and what I'm gonna be wearing it with. So hope you guys enjoy that, that look. And then the 5th and final item, and this is a fully sewn item that I made for my trip to Jamaica, is a one shoulder top, and this is McCall's M7955. I'll be sure to post a photo here of the pattern, and I fell in love with this pattern when I saw it. I'm on McCall's mailing list, and they mail out their lookbooks and their new patterns for the upcoming season. So this was a summer pattern. Fell in love with it and finally got the chance to finish one of the tops. So I believe I made view A, or is it B? It's one of the views. I'll be sure to post a picture here so you can see. But it is the shorter version. There's a longer version with a long asymmetrical hem, and then the other version is just straight across. So I decided to go with the straight across version because that's how much fabric I had. And I made it out of this Ponte knit fabric that I actually got for free from a colleague of mine who was moving her boutique to a new location, and she had all of this leftover Ponte knit fabric. And I've had it in my fabric collection for a couple of years now because I believe I got it in 2017. So I was really happy to finally use it, and I hope you guys like the look. So I'm kind of planning to wear that with my skinny jeans that I patched. So I'll be sure to post a picture here so you guys can see that. But those are the 5 pieces that I made / altered for my Jamaica trip. So Eat, Dance, Travel Jamaica, I'll be sure to have some more videos for you guys to check out, and pictures, of course, so you guys can join us next year because we're definitely gonna do it again in 2020. Hope you guys enjoy that. So all of that's gonna go into the suitcase, my travel yoga mat that I always take with me, and you know, tripod, camera equipment, because I'm definitely gonna be shooting some videos for you guys and taking some photos. And goodness, thank you so much for watching. Please, if this is your first time watching, like our channel, subscribe, and share this video. I would really, really appreciate it. And as always, it's your girl Esha signing off. Till the next line.